Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well and being safe at your homes. So welcome back to our new video. Our today's subject is English of class 4th. So students, our today's topic is 4th lesson Magical Garden. So here magical garden. Magic means so here students magic means full of tricks. So magical garden means a garden in which there are full of magical tricks. So it's a story based upon children who are studying in a primary grade. So there was a magical garden in a school playground. Playground means a piece of ground for children to play. So it was very pretty. Beautiful sunflowers and roses are stood high against the wall. There was also marigolds, roses, as well as pansies in very bright colors. There were many flowers with very bright colors, as you can see in the picture, students. So here the sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other place, and the flowers danced and sang happily. So they were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. I love all the children, said the rose. As you can see in the picture, this rose is talking. Then, but I love dear little ones most of all, said another rose. I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. So, students, there is a discussion going on between flowers, birds, and sunshine as well. So, here, after that, they are going on with their conversation, and again they are continuing their topic. Like, we love the little children, said this tiny bird, as you can see in the picture. Then they are kind and they bring bread for us. All the flowers said we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty for the children. They will be here soon. These words are said by Sun. I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than this to see those children running about in the golden sunshine. So here the Sun is saying that let me help you all, because I like and I love so much when children come here running in the golden sunshine. So when there was a very sunny day, there will be a sun which heavy light like lightning golden sunshine. So students, suddenly the children came out laughing. Here, as you can see in the picture, these children came out laughing and singing. The flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. And then students started doing conversation. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child. Here, as you can see, this child. And then the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiles happily. So yes, said the marigolds, the boys are good to us too. They dig ground so well. After this, there comes a fairy. So indeed it was a magical garden, and it has many fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers, as you can see in the picture, students, and their wings of sunshine, which is yellow in color, and it is shining so brightly. The magical garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were fall asleep, and they are waiting for the children to come another day. So it's a story about children who are very good and who are doing their work in the garden. They would like to water the plants. That's why these gardens became so well and very beautiful. So I hope you have liked our today's lesson. So I want you all to complete these meanings in your classworks. First one is magical, playground, sunshine, golden, gardener, dreaming. So students, take care of yourself. Read this lesson once for even once, and let's meet in another video with another topic. Allah Hafiz.